scientists, Professor Beakerz here, and welcome back to the Beakerz Lab, where today we are learning about forces and motion. So make sure you have your Beakerz Science box, mom, dad, or another adult, and meet me right back here. Today, we are learning about forces and motion. Forces put objects into motion. So if you take your marble, you can push and you can pull, and it puts the marble into motion. One moves it forward, one pulls it back. Now, when two objects slide across each other, it creates something called friction. Can you say friction? Good job. Now, friction can create heat. Try it with your hands. So cool. But the other thing it does is it slows down motion. Now, find a chair and find a smooth surface like tile or wood and try pushing the chair and pulling the chair. Now we're going to create friction. Put it on carpet. Now try to push your chair and pull your chair. Was it a little harder? What was that word again? Friction. That's right. Now, you're going to create a force of push with a marshmallow shooter. That's right, because science is fun. So you have a cup, you have scissors, you have a balloon, and you have marshmallows. You're going to cut a hole in the bottom of your cup. It's easiest if you cut the top of your balloon off so it can stretch. You're going to stretch the balloon over the back of your cup, and you've now created a force. So go ahead, put a marshmallow inside, pull your balloon back, and let it go. Did it cause your marshmallow to move? I'm curious. What if you don't pull as hard? What if you pull harder? What happens? Have fun with your marshmallow shooter. I'll see you back in a minute.